the 67 Belvedere 2. This is a 318 car now, with a 4-speed manual. But to answer the question, can you use a Slant 6 flywheel and bell housing on a 318? The answer is yes. The problem is, with a new clutch, freshened up flywheel that was ground, this car will still smoke the clutch all day and cannot hold this tired 318. So when the new motor goes in, that means we have to change the bell housing, change the flywheel, and if it's the 360 is going in, that means it has to be an externally balanced flywheel. And I believe it's 100 and, see, I'm gonna get these numbers wrong now, but it all goes on to teeth count, is my understanding, on the flywheel, and then its size. I'm running a 10.5 inch. I believe the Slant 6 is a 9 inch. But the standard small block is a 10.5 inch. So if you look up and try to get parts, I had to buy everything for a Slant 6 when I redid the clutch because it was only a 9 inch, which means that the starter then is moved in a different orientation because of the size of the flywheel. So that is the problem we're running into, which means new bell housing, new flywheel, new pressure plate, new clutch, all that. So the answer, can you use a Slant 6? Yes. Would you? No, because even this old tired motor that probably puts 100 wheel horsepower to the ground, it still will burn right through that clutch. And maybe I didn't break it in properly or what, but it is junk. It's getting some brake work on it done now. This car, last time I drove it, last 2 times I drove it, the rear brakes were seeming to, well, they were locking up, but I didn't know if it was they're generating themselves on the drums or if it was a pressure issue through the system. Now, mind you, it's all new brake lines. The distribution block on the axles new, rubber lines are new, wheel cylinders new, springs, hardware kit, brake shoes new. The only thing not new is the master cylinder with my fancy cardboard there to keep it tight. And then the front distribution block, that's original as well. So those 2 things are original. That's down there somewhere. Can't really see it. But the plan is to maybe just go with disc brakes around everything and do power brakes, get rid of this master cylinder anyways. Probably put a different distribution block in. Well, and probably put a line lock in too, because we're gonna have maybe a 360 in here. Why wouldn't you have a line lock? But I think it's done for the year. This car is gonna just go to the garage. Look how dusty it's already getting. Huh. Gotta have the little kid seat. The boy loves to ride in the blue car. He shifts with me as I'm shifting through the gears. It's pretty cute, to be honest. Glad he likes it. Anyways, I'll probably make a video on that whole motor situation when we do a swap on it, maybe soon. I'd like to put it in here before winter and run it for a while, and maybe it ends up in the duster over there in the corner, but I'd like to see it in here. Thanks for watching. See ya.